Are you an Insta360 One X owner looking at the new Insta360 Go thinking, I think I'd like some of the effects from that Go app, but I can't do that in the One X? Well, you can. In fact, you can use your Go app for some of your editing, no matter what kind of camera you're using, even if it's just your phone. And when you do, you can do stuff like this. Cool, huh? Now, my name is Saab Johal and thanks for joining me on my channel. If you do find this tip useful, please give this video a like and consider subscribing. Okay, let me show you how to do this. The first method is by using the AI baked into the Insta360 Go app to stitch together the footage you've already processed and output from your One X app. That way the Go app selects parts of the footage you select in your gallery or camera roll and then stitches them together using transitions and cuts to the beat of the preloaded music in the app. And the great thing is that you can use any footage you have from the One X, from your phone itself, or anything else that you load up into the gallery from your camera roll. Now let's jump onto the app to see how. When the Go app loads up, choose Stories to the right of the camera icon in the bottom option bar. From here, you can see that there are 3 categories available: life, travel, and sport. And each of those templates in those categories will need a certain number of shots to make a story. So in this example, I've chosen a work stories template in the life category, which needs 8 shots to make a story. Now this lets me get into my camera roll and choose video clips from wherever to select and put into that story. And once I've previewed that output, I can then go into the options like transitions between each segment and video if I choose to, and I can customize the video if I want. Once I've done that, I simply export the video and it's there, edited to the beat of the music in my camera roll. Pretty neat, eh? I think it's an awesome way to use the Insta360 Go app if you have a One X, and even if you don't have an Insta360 device at all, you can use this feature. The other way that you can do this is to use My Stories and then choose to create a story, which then gives you full manual control over the film segments you want to choose, where you can trim them, speed them up, add transitions, choose filters, and do everything you'd like to be able to do to create your short film using this as an editor. Now, if you've been looking for a way to pull together all the footage you have from your One X into one film segment, this is a great way to do that too, without having to go to another, perhaps paid editor, because it gives you the option to add things like text too. Hey, this was a pretty quick video just to let you know this is possible. Let me know in the comments if I can help with anything else, and let me know how you're using this feature in your own creations. You don't have to have an Insta360 Go in order to be able to use the AI. I'd love to know how you're using this little tip. If you found this video useful, please be sure to give it a like and perhaps consider subscribing too. Hope to see you again here sometime. Until then, cheers.